Hi, I'm Dr. Greg Castello, board certified family practice with CastelloWellness.com, and we're going to do a neti pot demonstration today. So neti pot is a way to irrigate your sinuses if you've got a cold or even allergies. I don't have a neti pot, but I've got some regular IV fluids, which is normal saline, which you're going to irrigate, and some tubing. So let's go ahead and start by warming the fluid up. So you want to make sure your liquid is warm, and just the same way as you would test the baby bottle, you want to make sure that it's not too hot on your hands and burn your sinuses. Next, we're going to put the thing in one side, and the plan is that the liquid will actually come out the other side and flush or irrigate your sinuses. Okay. All right, so if this was a neti pot, the little thing, the liquid's going to be coming out of it. And I put that in my nose, and before you know it, the liquid starts to come out the bottom of the other side. So it's actually flushing in one side and out the other side. If you want, you could give a little sniff and have it come out your mouth. You could also tip down to rinse the top of your sinuses. So you want to do both sides. So things you want to remember with the neti pot: you want to use distilled water. Never use tap water. It's got too much chlorine in it and it's going to burn. Never use well water if you're on a private well. There have been people that have got amoeba infections from swimming in a lake and actually just getting water splashed up. So distilled water has no chlorine and it's relatively sterile. Make sure you put the little saline packets that come with it. Mine already had saline mixed in it, but that makes the amount of salt that your tears or your sweat would have, so it's not burning to your sinuses when you use it. The concept behind this is that your mucous membranes in your nose are either full of mucus or full of virus or even allergens if you have allergies, and with the neti pot we wash that out. So think of your sinuses being like a furnace filter, and one of their jobs is to trap debris and trap dust and trap infections in your nose so you don't breathe them into your lungs. You need to clean that furnace filter out periodically, and that's what the neti pot does. The other thing that you can use a neti pot for is if you've got a bad cold or allergies and you're congested and supposed to use Flonase or other nose spray. When you squirt the medicine in and you've got mucus in there, it just mixes with the mucus and never soaks in. So you can do a neti pot before doing your prescription nose spray, and that helps the effectiveness of the medication. Dr. Castello, thank you.